Using one of my old Heli nitro packs, the battery gives me 5.2 volts. Got the switch in the line. From there I'm going to my glow driver, and that is the output on the glow driver with the switch switched off. Let's activate the switch, going straight through to the glow driver. Glow driver is still switched off, not actuated to energize the glow plug. Immediately I get a 3.76 volt. Let's actuate the glow driver. Glow driver actuated, as can be seen, still 3.76 volts. Let's go back, let's switch off the system. Glow driver off, and as you can see on the potentiometer how the voltage is dropping. There's no voltage or current going to the glow driver, and I've got a 5.16 volts reading.